there are two kinds of flaws, intentional and unintentional. Okay, so intentional flaws are malicious, means due to some attackers or a breach. Non-malicious are done by the some system failure, or maybe sometime it is like exploited by the attacker but not like fully attacked. Unintentionals are source of most of security flaws over there. Sometimes there are a lot of errors but we are not aware of it. Unintentional programs, common mistakes made by the programmers and the developers over there. So you have to notify the programmers that these are the problems in your program, please fix it so that our data and our programs become secure over there. So with the exception of few classical types, many can cause malfunction but do not lead to the serious vulnerability. Sometime it's minor, but sometime it can lead to the vulnerabilities. So three classical types remain common among development environments for decades. Like what are the errors? Like buffer overflow, incomplete mediation, and stuck to errors. Over three different kinds of errors we have it, which is called unintentional errors. We have it.